provide you the necessary.
My lords, guidance, a better word, my lords. But, my lords, paragraph 14 and 15 is not out of applicable, my lords. See the predicament, my lords, just see the predicament.
We are not directed to provide.
My lords, which would have carried out all the process that has happened after the counselling.
We are not touching that counselling process. Here on that.
So, my lords, in this case, all I'm left with is passing of issuance of joining letters.
No, consider them. Counselling you of
My lords, but it's very please don't go.
we are not. You should have attended to what they said. Mr. Satyanarayan was happy enough to say that he doesn't want to disturb the process which has already been completed.
I could see, my lords, but my instructions are this, that if you're going to consider and open it for these candidates that my learned senior is appearing for, it would have an impact on the list that has been prepared and the counselling side has
But
been
he is also requesting that it will not be impact. And when we have clarified that there won't be an impact on those which are already done.
the process, if my limited understanding would be that if there are X number of candidates and the buyer being added to the pool, the list will have to be looked into.
You want to clarify that I have wanted to come to another argument. Why I don't know what I have to do.
My lords, may clarify, my lords. I'm just insured. My lords, I'm just...
We have to pass the community order inviting your chief secretary.
My lords, I'm not needed. My lords, may kindly consider.
Yes, continue. If you are saying you have to disturb the system already done.
I'm just trying to perhaps buttress my case with respect to the technicalities. However, my lords are clarifying in order.
There is no examination, etc. It's just that if you are eligible to come. Now, if they add the question of a class of applicants, then there may be some issue they face. At the moment, there are 278 vacancies. We are 239. If this should have not, they will have to open the door and disappoint us. That's exactly what will take place. So these are the applicants before our lordship is seeking enforcement of the law.
Avoid us if you are otherwise eligible. While eligible and we don't know, they might be having active procedure.
थोड़ा कोई बोलेंगे नहीं प्लीज सर थोड़ा बोलेंगे नहीं आवाज नहीं
For direction to submit the applicants for holding the 18th month deemed qualification, TELED qualification from years under the online diploma, what is like ODL. Online distance learning open distance learning board. Participate in the application, counseling process, and for appointing to the vacant post in the ongoing recruitment. These are the checkered list. What is the date of our judgment?
Original judgment is 28/11/23, clarified on 10/12/24.
Why not judgment and order dated 20th of November 2023? We had upheld the rules framed by the Uttarakhand government, which provided that on being eligible to be appointed as teachers, it was necessary to have a diploma course of 2 years
Or equivalent. So, operational.
or equivalent course. However, the judgment itself we had clarified the scheme was initiated by the Union of India for providing we had clarified that scheme which was run by Union of India was done in order to provide one-time opportunity to such of the teachers who are already in employment on 10th of August 2017 to get some qualification of a diploma course. We are also tell that the deadline of 18 months, the diploma of the period of 18 months was specified in order to meet the deadline of appointing the teachers under the Right to Education Act. That's why it's correct. That way, there was some confusion in some states, and therefore, review applications were filed. We declined to present the review of the law that the judgment was clear, and it held that one time scheme was provided solely to safeguard the interests of those teachers who were employed as of 10th of August 2017. To further clarify,
प्लीज मत बोलिए कोई.
thus, para 3 and 4. The clause of the petitioners is that though they are eligible as per the original of this court dated 20th of November 2023 and the clarification dated 10th of December 2024 in as much as the advertisement is dated 29th May 2024. That is, after the judgment was delivered on 20th of November 2023, the state is not considering that claim. It is submitted that in the reply given by the state government, it is stated that the selection process is already complete and therefore the claim of the petitioner cannot be considered. Sri Narayan further submitted the information received under the Right to Information Act revealed that there are 278 posts vacant and the number of applicants is 265, 39, and 3. Narayan clearly states that the applicants do not intend effect the selection is already done. Consider plus the very consideration on behalf of the state of the bodies submitted. Right, the judgment dated 20th of November 2023. This court has upheld the rules of Uttarakhand state which provided
फेवर में है.
2 years qualification.
जजमेंट फेवर में आ गया.
2 years
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चल रहा है सुनने.
this is the diploma in education of 2 years duration was necessary for being appointed as teachers. The further submitted any interference at this stage would cause complication
हमने दिया था.
the process already done.
टुडे
Correct.
लिंक दिया है हम लोग.
No doubt that they uphold the rules of
में जो है.
rules framed by the state government by our judgment dated 20th of November 2020. However, at the same time,
देख कर
we have clarified that such of the teachers who are already employed on 10th of August 2017 would be entitled to the benefit of one-time scheme. And if they had completed such of the teachers who have completed the diploma course of 18 months would be treated as valid diploma holders for the purpose of applying in other institutions or for commercial value. Additionally, other institutions would also include the schools run by the state government. Correct. And the case of the subsequent
क्या बात कर.
the rule would be covered by our clarification dated 10th of